This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your interactive broker's account number and the exact registration name on both accounts. Mismatches cause delays. Decide whether to use a CATS for U.S. equities or DTC for non-CATS securities, because a CATS usually completes in 3 to 7 business days. Gather the sending account's recent statement, each asset's CUSIP or ticker symbol, and cost basis or lot details if you want lot-level transfers. Also check for any outbound transfer fees from the sending broker, and note estimated timelines before you initiate the move. Log into the interactive broker's client portal, go to Transfer and Pay, and choose Transfer Positions to initiate an inbound transfer. Select Inbound Transfer, enter the sending broker's exact name and account number, then list tickers or CUSIP and quantities you want moved. Choose full versus partial transfer and specify lot selection if available. Review any listed fees. IBKR often shows /bin/sh for standard CATS inbound. Then electronically sign the transfer authorization and submit. Keep the confirmation number and monitor emails for any follow-up from either broker. After submission, expect status updates by email and in client portal. A CATS transfers commonly finish in 3 to 7 business days. If your transfer is rejected, immediately check for name mismatches, unsettled or pledged funds, restricted or non-transferable securities, or missing CUSIP and contact the sending broker to correct items. Once completed, verify that all positions, cost basis, and lot assignments transferred correctly. Compare totals to your original statement, and open a ticket with IBKR support if anything is missing or incorrect to get the transfer reconciled quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.